land of 5 rivers,
Punjab.
the blue mountains,
Nilgiri Hills.
the city of places,
Mumbai.
city of places,
Mumbai.
city of places,
Kolkata.
the gateway of India,
Mumbai.
the city of golden temple,
Amritsar.
the land of lilies,
Canada.
the city of 7 hills,
Thailand.
the land of white elephants,
Thailand.
the tallest bird,
Ostrich.
the tallest animal,
Giraffe.
the largest sea animal,
Blue whale.
the largest snake,
Anaconda.
the fastest bird,
Swift.
the smallest bird,
Hummingbird.
wingless bird,
Kiwi.
the bird never makes its nest,
Cuckoo.